How to join Blue Lock Rivals Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up any web browser on a device. Now tap on the search bar, then type Discord server. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now open up the first website. Now simply tap on explore communities. Now type Blue Lock Rivals and tap on search. If you don't find Blue Lock Rivals here, simply tap on the search bar. Now type Blue Lock Rivals Discord server. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now simply tap on accept invite. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and see you in the next video.